Hi, guys. This is Gabriella Foster. I am a board certified hypnotherapist as well as a certified instructor with the National Guilds of Hypnosis. I also hold my master's in counseling and pursuing my PhD in psychology with an emphasis on addiction. I have been selected to be one of your speakers this year at the 2024 convention in Mass, and my class will be held on August 9th at 3 p.m. My course will be about healthy sobriety with hypnotherapy. What you should anticipate taking away from that course is going to be how to address the root cause of their problems, also how to address behavioral changes, reduce cravings, stress reduction, improve self-esteem and confidence, all using hypnotherapy with your clients. Also, you'll understand better the process of hypnotherapy and working with addiction and promoting continuous sobriety. I hope to see you there. Have a great day.